In the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.